Hello YouTube, the WW2 collector here. I've got this new item. I got it from a charity shop near where I live. Called the Book of the Rifle. It's in quite good condition. It's dated 1944. See that? Right, you see right there. First edition published October 1940. Second edition published June 1942. Second edition reprinted March 1944. And that's when this one was made. This has got all this stuff on how to use the rifle, like targets and stuff, and the sights. It's a very good book. Quite good condition as well. I think it's got all the pages as well, which is good. Pictures of rifle. How to use the rifles and stuff. More rifles. Fold out bit. All that. Quite rare book. And good condition as well. I'm going to do a little bit of a shout out as well. Cosmo World War I reenactor for World War I stuff. American stuff, you've got to go, well, World War Wheel as well for World War I stuff, because he does really good stuff. And American stuff, go Jack Pittman and Dominic F, I think it was. World War II British, it's got to be World War Wheel and World War II UK. They do like Burmese stuff, Chindit, stuff like that. And just for normal stuff. Me. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe.